Alright, I'm about to make this video right here. Show you how to program the keys for Honda Civic 2008. Basically right now is I have another key that was cut from the dealer. So basically you're gonna try to start the car. It'll start and then it'll cut off because the key, you see the mobilizer keeps blinking. So what I'm gonna do is program the new key. I'm gonna use the factory key that came with it, and I'm gonna program the new one to it right now. This is the new one that doesn't work yet. Cuts it off, so I'll program that. 2008 Honda Civic, USA. Hot functions, ignition on, T5, you already know the process. Establishing the connection with the vehicle. Green light is blinking, processing it. Add keys, add one key. And now it's loading up, please wait. Establishing a connection with the vehicle. Key is on the second position in the ignition. Turn the ignition switch off within 17 seconds. Turn the ignition switch on with the new key, which is this one, within 20 seconds. So now the new key is in the ignition. Second position, please wait. It's loading out. Turn the ignition switch off within 17 seconds. Turn the ignition switch on without changing the key. Turn the ignition switch off. Turn the ignition switch on. Is the mobilizer light turned off on the dash? Yes, it is. It's off. It's not blinking. Yes, it's turned off. Turn the ignition switch off. Turn the ignition switch on with the original key, which is this one. Turn it to the second position. Establishing communication with the vehicle. Registration of keys have been completed. Turn the ignition switch off. So now I'm going to go to escape. System check. Check how many keys. Number of keys. 3 registered keys, right? Okay. Alright, so that's it. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. This is the regular key for it that came with it. So I'm going to use it. I'm going to start the car. And it'll stay running. Right? So then this is the aftermarket one right here that I just programmed. Put in ignition, start it, and it stays on. Good to go. That's it.